Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use a Visa gift card on DoorDash. Alright, let's begin. First, open the DoorDash application on your mobile device. Tap on Me in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, go to Settings by clicking on it. In the Settings menu, select the second option labeled Payment. Since a Visa gift card is typically a debit card, choose Credit Debit Card. You will need to input the card number, expiration date, CVC code from the back of the card, as well as your country and zip code. Alternatively, you can scan your card by clicking on the camera icon next to the number field. If your Visa gift card is not accepted in this section, you can try entering it in the gift card section. Go back into Settings and click on Gift Card. Here, you can redeem a gift card if your Visa gift card has a separate redemption number. So that's basically how you can use a Visa gift card on DoorDash. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.